welcome to your practice. I'm going to take a really short back care practice today. I need you to remember to listen to your body, to be mindful of your movements and keep your breath flowing throughout. So first of all, come onto your back body. Set your feet in line with your sit bones and release your spine to the mat and decide whether you want to use your pillow block to align your head and neck, or if you prefer not to use it. And closing the eyes, sense into how your body meets with the earth. Release the shoulders from the ears. Let the arms hang loose beside you, palms up or down. And be aware of the breath as you breathe in, the chest and the belly gently rise. And as you breathe out, the belly and the chest gently fall. And it's really important to stay fairly well connected to your breathing throughout any back care program. Now gently fold your right thigh into the chest, hold behind the back of the knee, and as the thigh comes towards the chest, ensure that the shoulders are grounded into the mat, the chest is open, and just feel a mild to moderate release in the buttock, the gluteus muscles, and the right side of the low back. Inhale, exhale, and gently release that right leg. Notice how you feel. And then, when you're ready, fold the left thigh into the chest. Slowly draw the knee and the thigh towards the chest. Hip is coming into flexion and receive a mild to moderate pull sensation on the back of the thigh, the buttock, and space in the low back. Breathing throughout and let that go. Take a moment. When you're ready, fold the right thigh back in. Follow it with the left thigh. And you can keep your knees together, or you can cup the knees, draw them mildly apart, and direct the thighs back in. Notice how the mid-back compresses. You get a pressure of the back into the mat. Keep the chest open. Breathing smoothly, relaxing the face. And then one at a time, let the feet come back to the mat. Observe how you feel. Ease out. Relax the arms. And then allow your arms just to travel a little further away from the body. And send your awareness into your tailbone. That's the very, very base of your spine, the tail and the sacrum. Really important for our spinal connections, and also at the root of some of the nerve, and maybe some of the nerve pain that you might be receiving. And we're going to work with a really mindful movement called arch. When you breathe in, roll your tailbone along the mat towards the feet and heels, and feel the gap at the back of your waist. That's right in here. Feel the lumbar arch increase. So you'll feel your Back muscles extend and strengthen. Rib cage might also lift. You are still breathing. And then when you're ready, preferably on an exhale, melt the back into the earth. Feel the spinal muscles completely release and relax. And you'll also notice your head moves, because the head and neck is part of the spine. When you're ready, repeating that movement up to 5 times more. So, breathing in, expand the chest, and at the same time as breathing in, roll the tailbone and sacrum, press it into the mat. It is moving towards the feet and the heels, and your back is arching. Feel those sensations, and then exhaling. Melt, release, and allow the back to come back to its natural curves, softening into the mat. Take a recovery breath here and observe how you feel. Continue your arch and release up to 5 times more. There's no need to hurry this practice. Move in rhythm to your breath flow. Remember, you are arching mildly or more fully on each repetition. You are exhaling, breathing out to melt the effort and to bring the spine muscles to soften into the earth. Observe also how as you arch, the erector spinae muscles running alongside the spinal column are contracting and strengthening, and the front body muscles, the rectus abdominis fascia, are lengthening. And these are important feelings to observe in your back care. And then after 5 or 6 repeats, take a moment to rest. Come back into soft, easy breathing. It's fine to close the eyes. Sometimes it really helps you to sense into the whole body. And then, without moving the chest or the shoulders are grounded, arms are hanging loose. Roll the knees to one side. And you'll notice how this takes the hips and the pelvis along with it. It brings your spine into a really mild twist. And this movement can be really languid and gentle.